order to delivery. What does a full-service inventory management system look like? It all begins with seamless, digitized order replenishment, transforming how you manage your inventory. There are 5 different Optimas replenishment solutions you can use, depending on your needs. 1. OptiScale. Each bin sits on its own scale on the rack. OptiScale then automatically sends a replenishment order when depleted inventory in a bin reaches a predetermined weight. 2. OptiRack. A bin is placed on the top of the rack. OptiRack then detects the RFID chip in the bin and wirelessly triggers an order. 3. OptiZone. You can designate an area such as a pallet or bulk area to trigger new orders. OptiZone uses RFID technology to automatically trigger an order for empty bins placed within that designated area. 4. OptiDrop. OptiDrop uses unique cards with an embedded RFID chip. When inventory gets low, remove the card and drop it into an OptiDrop box to trigger a new order. 5. OptiBeam. OptiBeam uses the latest Android scanning and barcode technology to place replenishment orders, check inventory levels, and validate bin locations. All Optitech solutions are fully customizable, working with single or multiple bin Kanban systems. Once the order is triggered, Optimas takes care of everything. Our operations experts thoroughly locate the parts. Parts are counted and weighed, with labels on each package for ease of delivery and identification. Every replenishment order is prepared for fast and reliable shipment. Optimas delivers globally from a distribution center located closest to you. There are 3 delivery options based on your needs. Dock to dock, where stock is delivered to a single location. Dock to supermarket, where stock is delivered to designated areas on your plant floor. Or dock to line, where stock is delivered directly to point of use. A smart VMI program like Optimas integrates easily with ERP and demand planning software to capture data based on real-time and historical consumption patterns. This foresight allows you to see where the demand comes from and plan accordingly. You can see where your fulfillment orders are, adjusting production and orders up or down based on product availability and lead time. Automate your inventory, reduce your costs, and improve efficiency by contacting Optimas today.